So here we are. Hello and welcome to everyone to our new chat show called My Sachin Story, where we talk with the hardcore Sachinists from all over the world and listen to their such story.
A cricket fan, not just only a cricket fan, but the fan of passion, love, and unconditional love towards the batsman, toward the player, or toward the cricket fraternity. So here I am, Ashish Verma, and here with me is Pavan, famously known as PK in all the Sachinist group, the founder of Sachinist.com, and my great friend. Hey PK, bhai, how are you?
Hey Ashes, all good man. How are you?
I'm good, good. So happy to see you and have you here.
Same here, man. Same here. It's been a while, right?
Yeah, it's been a long time. I think since
Yeah,
lockdown, something the last RS World Series, the last time we met, I think.
right. In 2020 March.
Yeah. So एंड टू बिगिन विद मुझे इससे ना अच्छी खासी जलन है क्योंकि सचिन सर को पर्सनली जानते हैं यार मतलब हम जिनको देखने के लिए मिलने के लिए तरस जाते हैं ये बंदा उनके साथ बैठ के फोटो खिंचवा रहा है तो पवन सो मैनी फोटोज सो मैनी वीडियोस तो एक बात बताओ कि आपकी जर्नी
Hey.
शुरू कहाँ से हुई
Oh, it's been see, okay. So first thing that I commonly hear whenever I put in a photo or something is like some random people come and post and like, a lucky.
हम्म,
So but see, there's been years and years and years of travel. What do you say, like, the travel to meet or initially to see him started somewhere in 2001
ओके
because by 2001 it's been almost close to like 9-10 years I've been at least seeing cricket if not understanding it because during childhood days I had no other option. My dad is a big cricket fan, so I had to sit and watch a cricket match when I was like 3 years 4 years old. So I have to sit and watch a cricket match.
हम्म
So all that I knew since childhood was like watching cricket. So and I would say like I've started watching cricket at the right time, not in terms of my age, but in terms of Sachin's career, wherein he was so that by the time I'm getting to understand the sport, he was getting to his peaks.
इन द 90s
So and yeah, and watching so many matches. So I actually had a dream, or first goal was to watch him live in the stadium,
ओके
and gradually it kept on increasing. And once I've watched him in the stadium, then wanted to see like I need to at least have a photo with him. And
हम्म
it's been a gradual process. It's not like over day I want to go meet him and all.
and then the
It's
process
like
is going on again
climbing the ladder.
and you have become the inspiration for all the normal peoples like me that we have a chance to meet Sachin at least once in our life and to have with chat with him or have a photo with him.
Right. I mean, see, he's like a addiction.
Hmm.
Somebody who is like probably if for somebody who is addicted to drug and all, there might be this de-addiction centers. If you are addicted to such, and I don't think like we have any, and nobody want to get that de-addiction as well.
Yes,
So
yes.
we'll be more than happy to have it as well.
Amazing. मतलब for 90s kid, we all grown up kids. सचिन हमारे लिए केवल एक खिलाड़ी नहीं था हमारे लिए एक इमोशन है कि
Correct.
तो जब तक वो हमारे साथ हम रहेंगे तब तक शायद वो इमोशन रहेगा और जब तक सचिन रहेगा हमारे अंदर तो ये एक ऐसा सीन है हमारे लिए
Exactly. Right.
so let me tell you my journey with Sachin. I think it was 90s वर्ल्ड कप का सेमीफाइनल मैच बस 5 साल का बच्चा था मैं और मुझको बस सचिन सचिन सुनाई दे रहा था क्योंकि टीवी पे केवल वही लगा हुआ है मैच इतना क्राउडेड है
Right.
घर वाले सब वही मैच देख रहे हैं एंड इट
Mm-hmm.
वाज जस्ट ओवर पता नहीं चला मैच का रिजल्ट क्या था क्योंकि छोटा सा बच्चा और रिजल्ट उस समय पता होता नहीं था
I can imagine. Yeah,
एंड फिर
I was there in
और
that situation.
और उसके बाद जब टीवी खोलो तो केवल वही बंदा खेलता हुआ दिख रहा है वही चौके मार रहा है वही छक्के मार रहा है वही हर बॉलर की धुलाई कर रहा है तो बस वही सिलसिला चलता रहा एंड आई थिंक देन द 98 शारजा उफ मेरे ख्याल से शायद
Unbelievable.
वही मोमेंट था एक मेरे लिए शायद जस्ट मैं नॉर्मल इंसान नॉर्मल बच्चे से एक सचिनिस्ट बन गया और शायद वो मेरे क्रिकेट के
Uh-huh.
भगवान so that's
Mm-hmm.
how the journey has been started.
Right. And see, 98 or from 96 to 98, it actually transformed the Indian cricket as well in
Hmm.
terms of cricket following and everything. So things have changed drastically. By 98, more people started watching the sport. It was not the case before 96 World Cup.
Mm-hmm.
In fact, so 96 World Cup is, if I'm not wrong, that is when the presentations used to have this big checks and all to be
Yeah.
given for winners and all. If I'm not wrong, I think it started off in 96 World Cup and this opening ceremony and all.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the stage actually where cricket was also getting transformed.
Hmm. I think from that's where not only just the Indian cricket, but the world cricket has been changed, because there has been
Well,
one batsman
so,
who dominate all the players, other teams, and all the people are
right.
looking up to him, that there has been some session and something who is coming up and taking all over the world. I think so.
I know
That's
the
what Sachin has been
opponent
set
teams
up.
used to have special meetings
Hmm.
wherein, how to get Sachin's wicket, or, how to stop him from getting those big runs.
Yeah. So I think
Yeah,
only strategy was Sachin. If you get Sachin out, you will win the match. That was all
yeah,
their.
then pretty much the match is sealed.
Yeah. Because so many times other captains like Steve said, we lost to Sachin, not the Indian team. And I think
Correct.
the number one team of that time, if the captain is saying something like that, then
Yeah,
that was all it about Sachin.
right. And they're not just the number one team, right? And they were like a pretty dominant team. Look at their
Yeah.
bowling attack or their batsmen. They had
No.
like pretty good mix of every aspect, very well covered. They
Yeah.
had good finisher, had very good spin bowlers, pace bowlers, a fantastic,
Yeah.
aggressive opening batsman and everything.
And I think not just for 1 or 2 years, but they are dominated for like 15 to 20 years, I think, almost.
Australia,
Australia,
yeah, they were
yeah,
like pretty strong force,
they
right?
were
I
unbeatable
mean,
until
what 90?
2007 World Cup,
Yeah,
and their bowling
2003
attack.
did they lose any match? I don't think
No, no,
2003
no,
also they lost any match.
no, they hasn't.
Yeah. In 96 World Cup also they've given walkovers. They did not travel to Sri Lanka in 96 World
Yeah.
Cup with all the internal issues in Sri Lanka. They did not travel and they'll give walkovers, and they'll still, irrespective of that, they still make it to the finals.
Mm,
And every time when they are on a big run, every time I think it was the Indian team which has kept a break on that.
yeah. At 2001, I think the Test series one, where India wins
Yeah,
the Kolkata Test, I think.
correct. I think that's 16 test
You know,
wins
17
has been
Test wins, I
put a
think.
break.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, 16 or 17. Yeah, that's what they've put a break. Yeah.
Mhm. So moving on, जब सचिन से first time मिले, so what was your reaction, and how was that moment to you?
So this happened in 2012, 2012 August.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 22nd August 2012. I was actually, I had no clue like how to react. So the thing happened to be that was start of India New Zealand Test series,
Okay,
and the first test of the series was happening in Hyderabad.
okay,
And I cannot remember any instance where a test series, that was first match happening in Hyderabad.
okay.
Okay, so the team had come pretty like 3-4 days prior to the series because that was the first match of the series and all. So
Mm-hmm.
daily I used to travel to the stadium in the morning, trying to get a chance wherein I can go inside the stadium and take a snap during the next sessions and all.
Okay.
So daily that used to be my routine, and evening I used to go out to a place and hang out with friends and all.
Mm.
So the thing that happened is on 21st of August, I did not go out to the typical place where I normally go out and hang out with my friends
Okay.
because I was like super exhausted whole day, waiting near the stadium, trying for a chance and
Waiting
all.
for just one glimpse and something.
Right. I mean, so glimpse anyway, once the team bus is going in, Master will anyway sit in the first seat.
Mm-hmm.
So you would get a glimpse, but by the time the passion to at least have one snap, because I've been so close. See, I'll tell you instances when there was a Ranji match that was happening in Hyderabad. I think this was in 2010,
Okay.
2010 Jan. No, 2009 Jan.
Okay.
2009 Jan, this was Mumbai and probably Hyderabad could be the other team.
Mm-hmm.
I did not even care like which teams were playing and all. Sachin was playing the match. I've been to the stadium and there were no cameras and all were allowed and all these things.
Mm-hmm.
It was a Ranji match. So I was talking to a co-op there because Sachin was not batting at that time. So the complete agenda for me was like, let's take our chance, try whatever possible. Let's take a chance and get a snap
Okay.
in 2010. So then I happened to start a conversation with a cop there. And so I was discussing with him, these things I've tried and all. And I was carrying a big banner as well. So he was
Okay.
like super impressed with the banner. And I was wearing some t-shirt where it has Sachin and all on that. And he could find I was the only guy who was carrying such a big banner for a Ranji match, and who's looked like a passionate person.
Mm.
So I said, okay, fine, I'll do one thing. I'll take you near the place where the players sit.
Okay.
Okay, you'll not mess around or do any crazy stuff there because I'll be at rest.
Mm-hmm.
Then consider you're gone. And I
Okay.
told him, like, all I need is like a snap with Sachin. You just give a nod, then I'll go. If not, I'll not mess around. I'll be quiet. I'll just watch.
Okay.
So he had taken me so close to the players. There was just a railing which was separating me and the players. There were Mumbai players sitting, and I can remember Ramesh Pawar.
Mm-hmm.
And to be frank, I had no idea who were batting or what was the score and all. Sachin's team was batting.
Mm-hmm.
So there was some. So then opener got out. Then Sachin came out,
Okay.
and I was like, it was like hardly 3-4 feet away I'm from Sachin, and for the first time I'm watching him so close. I was like, I could not even utter a word. And moreover, I told to the cop as well, I'll not mess around and all. And I was like pretty scared as well because with the circumstances, you never know with players and all. I was like pretty new into this and all. So I was pretty quiet, but I was just staring at Sachin, and I could see that he was talking to somebody, I mean, in the team management who was sitting next to him.
Okay.
And I was like, I mean, if it was somebody who was smart, probably they would have opened that banner and showed it and called Sachin and all. I was like awestruck and I was like watching him like this.
Mm.
And within like 10-15 minutes, there was the other batsman who got out. Then Sachin went in and he hardly made any runs in that match. So he came back and
Okay.
he went into the dressing room again. Then I was like, okay, so we have to wait till the end of the day because I can't even go back because end of the day I have a chance to meet Sachin.
Mm.
I was like super excited waiting there. And so in the noon, in fact, this cop was like super cool. He took me there was a huge dining room in that stadium. So he took me there. He gave me lunch and all.
Okay.
Then comes the twist. It was around 3:30, 4 o'clock. And this cop comes up and says, like, Sachin, anyway, he got out and the team is still batting. So he left at 3:30 because he had some other things to take care of. And I was like, yeah, one more chance gone. So similar incident happened during IPL. So there were like many of these instances which happened.
Mm-hmm.
And so coming back to 2012, so August 21st, I think 19, 20 and 21st, I was waiting at the stadium.
Okay.
Okay. And I think on 21st evening, I did not go to the place where I generally go out in the evening.
Mm-hmm.
And then on 21st late in the night, Sachin puts out a tweet saying like, been to Lakshman's place to have dinner, and while returning, I've stopped at this place and enjoyed a nice ice cream.
Okay.
And then my friends call me up and says like, where were you? Yeah, Sachin came, we all took snaps with him. What were you doing? And I was like, dude, my entire life I'm like trying for this, and these people have hardly done anything, and they got a chance to take a snap with them. And I was like pretty heartbroken there. It was so close. Every time it was the same situation, so close, and it never happens. And I was like super, super pissed off. I mean, I can't even express like the exact feeling. You can imagine, right? Getting
him.
so close.
Yeah, I'm waiting for him for all over the time, and just the time when I never go, and it happens.
Right. And when you get so close and when you're mentally prepared, like, okay, it's happening now. So which is something which you dreamt all your life.
Yes.
And then for some reason it doesn't happen. And so on 22nd morning, 21st night, I was hardly able to sleep. I was like super upset and all. So 22nd morning, I just wanted to be all alone. I went for a coffee day, which is like a isolated sort of a thing. I mean, back then in those days, hardly any people used to visit there and all. It used to have open space and pretty decent and all, where you can quietly sit and talk to yourself, sort of a thing.
Mm-hmm.
So I've been there, and that day I did not even go to the stadium as well. I was like, let's think of plan B. So that sort of a thing. Not exactly plan B as well. I was like blank. Yeah, I had like no idea what to do. So I went to the CCD. I was sitting quiet, and I think I went there around 11 or something. I was all alone there till 1:30, around 1:30, and I could hear this cop siren because that is almost exactly opposite to the place where players were staying.
Hmm.
Almost opposite. So hardly like 300 meters or something, but it is just right opposite to the room.
Okay.
So I could hear the siren of team bus going in. So I saw the time, it was around 1:30 or 2.
Hmm.
And I knew that, okay, New Zealand team will go for the practice in the second half and Indian team will be going in the first half.
Okay.
I knew that, okay, this is the Indian team that will be, so that has just returned from practice. And I was like, let's take a chance. Let's go to the hotel, sit in the lobby. It makes kya hoga that you will be kicked out of the hotel. That is it. So, okay. So I reached hotel around 2:15, went, sat in the lobby. And trust me, there was like all New Zealand players are roaming around because they just came to India. So they were trying to get their SIM card sorted and all this sort of stuff was going on. Then it was so around 2:15 I went there. So around 2:30 to 45 Indian players were having their lunch and going back. In both the squads, there were like every player that I saw in the lobby except Sachin. And I was there for almost 2.5 hours. So the security over there and all, they started having a conversation because I was not even moving. I was exactly in that location. Be it like the star of the star player walks beside me. Also, I was like, I don't care if a player comes because I'm not here for a player. So that was sort of, expression I was maintaining.
Okay.
Because if I go and mess up with some player, they'll kick me out
They will be
and
told.
the end target will not be achieved. So I was like super quiet, just waiting for the moment. So then around 4:30, I started a conversation because there was a guy in the typical the safari where the security guys would be wearing, not this
Okay.
cops and all.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so escort sort of a guy. So he came in and he started a conversation. He was like, I'm pretty sure you must be waiting for a specific player or specific person, something of that sort.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, so why don't you help me, man? This was the scene that happened yesterday. So all the instances that I was telling you, I told him in detail and all.
Okay.
So these all things were happening, Then by the time I had my tattoo as well, I was like,
Okay.
see, I got a tattoo as well. So, one snap here, I do not want anything else. I just need one snap.
Mm-hmm.
And he was like, that's okay. Anyway, he'll be coming down. Okay, so that's fine. No, be here and try your luck is what he said. I was like, okay, fine, man. At least somebody has like said okay.
Some
Then
quality.
but I was not overwhelmed because of the past experiences and all. Somebody
Okay.
who assured as well, things did not turn out, right? And we can't
Mm-hmm.
even blame that person.
Yeah.
Right. So around 4:45, the same person comes up and says, you know what, he's not coming for his snack. He ordered it for his room itself. And as tomorrow match will start, he'll not be coming out to have dinner. He'll get it for his room itself. So there's no point you waiting here.
Okay.
I was like, okay. I was like, okay, that's fine. Anyway, he has to go to the stadium tomorrow. So let me see the possibilities and also. And the same around 15-20 minutes passed. It was between 5 and 5, around 5 to 5:03. So I was sitting right opposite to the left. I
Okay.
mean, so left so facing this side, the
Mhm.
opposite side. I was sitting here. To my right, I can see the lift doors to my right.
Okay.
So lift door opens, and there were like this couple of escorts who wear that safari clothing and
Mhm.
all. They walked out. They were the first ones to walk out. Then I was like, okay, this is for sure Sachin, because no other player would
For the
get
player,
so
yeah.
much of security and everything. I was like, okay, this is Sachin. Then behind those two safaris, then walked Sachin. Then behind him, there were like two more escorts. I was like, okay, let's not waste this chance because I was like sitting quietly there for 3 hours, not even moving an inch. I was like, okay, this has to happen this time. So I was directly walking towards Sachin. I could see the person behind him, the escort guy. He was like waving to me like this, move away, move away. So I was like, this is the chance, I have to do it. So I just walked. I just kept on walking. I went near him and I was like, Char, I'm a big fan of you, so this is my tattoo.
Mm-hmm.
Then he stopped. He saw,
Okay.
oh, nice. And I was like, oh, fantastic. Then I was like, sir, one photo, sir, please, 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 sir, trying it from here, sir, one photo, please. And he was like, yeah. Then he stopped, and back then we did not even have this proper selfie phones as well.
Yeah.
So, I had to ask that Safari guy who asked me to move away. I gave my phone to him and I asked him to click. And in fact, if I look back at that photo now, that it has this particular lines and all because of the
Yeah.
lighting. That was indoor in the Star Hotel, right? So it
Mhm.
has all these lines and all. But I was like super happy. This by 5:10, I was out of the hotel. Then
Okay.
again, I went back to the CCD. I had no clue what I was doing till 6:30, 6:45.
Mhm.
I had no clue. I was calling up my friends, and I was like, those particular lines that Sachin said. I mean, even now, if I recollect, that gives goosebumps. And that first meet, that is
मतलब ये स्टोरी
something.
सुनकर आई गॉट फैसिनेटेड कि मतलब हमको कितनी स्ट्रगल करनी पड़ती है। सेम मेरे साथ भी होता है कि बस एक ग्लिम्स पाने के लिए, एक मिलने के लिए इतनी मेहनत करते
Right,
हैं,
right, right.
और इतनी पास होने के बाद भी वो ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत दूर है।
Exactly. Yeah, and it is, see, the thing over the journey that what I understood is, see, once I think in 2016 Jan or Feb in Kolkata,
ओके।
Feb, because that was on the day of marathon. So sometime in
हम्म।
Feb first
आईडी
week probably,
आईडीबीआई, आई थिंक आईडीबीआई।
IDMA marathon.
या।
In the morning marathon was done. So that day actually in the evening, Boreas Museum launch was there.
ओके।
The event was not yet started, so Sachin was in the backstage instance. He was there in the other room
हम्म।
where there was projection going on Australian Open.
ओके।
He was watching Australian Open, so match was like intense. I did not want to disturb him, but the question was, it's in my head because that day around 3:30 or 4 o'clock, I went to the hotel where he was staying because I just landed at that time. I
ओके।
went to the hotel where Sachin was staying,
हम्म।
and I could see like people were actually waiting near the lift so that they can take a photo. Dude, 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning. I mean, probably, in 2012, if I did not get a chance to take a
हम्म।
snap at 5 in the evening, probably I would
फाइव
have
इन द
also
इवनिंग,
done the
या।
same thing. But seriously, yaar, 3:30, 4 in the morning. So you have to imagine at what time you have to leave your home, come down, right? So that day in the afternoon, so he was watching Australian Open, and our set was completed. This commercial break was there. Then I was asking him like, then I actually asked him, sir, tell me how difficult it is to become Sachin, to be like Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. You
या।
can't go out,
हम्म।
okay? You can't have, because you can't go to malls, you can't go for a normal movie like us, you can't go for a recreation places like us, you
हम्म।
can't go to your kids' school functions or anything. And because today morning I saw people were standing at 3 o'clock, people were standing near the lift and all.
जस्ट टू मीट
If
यू, जस्ट
if
टू सी यू,
right,
समथिंग।
to be frank, actually, if people were not there, then I would have probably asked him for a snap. But okay, so one thing that I do is like if there are people around or if there's too much of crowd and all, then I'll just meet, have a word if possible. But I'll not ask him for a snap because if he stops and gives a snap for me, then obviously the other people will,
या।
be all over the place,
यस।
right? And it would be pretty hard to control them.
हम्म।
So I just saw these people, I was clicking snaps for them, and I was like, okay, that's fine, it's not a word. Anyway, so in the afternoon, I got a snap. So then I was asking him, 3 o'clock people were waiting for you,
ओके।
right? And so whenever, whichever event that I have been, so I see like hundreds of people waiting outside, be it on his birthday. And I'll tell you what, movie premiere
हम्म।
on the day his movie premiere was happening. I think it was on 25th May
25th May, yes।
2015, 2016,
2016,
20,
2017,
2016,
I
I
think।
guess. 20,
2017,
2015, 2014 book launch. I think movie is in
2017,
2016, I guess.
yeah, 2017.
17. Yeah. So May 25th was the date. Okay. Screening was happening in PVR. And it started around 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it went on around 3:30 in the night.
Okay.
And I could see like there were like many people there. There were like good enough crowd that's standing outside the theater at 3:30 in the night, imagine.
So
So wherever you go, people will be there. You can't be like a normal person. So
I
now
think that's
it
what
is
Sachin
more
is all about.
exactly it is more like being in a quarantine,
Yes. And he's doing
which
for,
is
I
something which
think,
we are feeling it. and he's there since the time he started playing for India. That's the case.
I think
So
since the age of 16.
but I actually liked his reply. His reply was like, initially actually I felt it hard to manage. Then later on, I got a way to live with it. With different entrances that they have to go through and all, not the typical entrance which people use.
Yeah, so it's not easy to be a Sachin Tendulkar on and off field both.
Exactly. Right. With especially with the amount of people
Yes.
who, we can't even blame our, we can't even take it because, we never know like when we will get a chance to see him again,
Yeah,
right? So
that's
not
true.
everybody would be, staying next door to him, or where everybody have that luxury of seeing him every day,
Hmm.
right? So it is once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah, that's
So we
was
can't even blame the people, and even we can't even question him because whenever it is possible, he always stops and tries to do it. But
आई
it's
थिंक
practically
यही
impossible to
क्रेजीनेस है
satisfy
सचिन की,
everyone.
जो अभी तक शायद बरकरार है। सबसे लंबा स्पैन जिस किसी खिलाड़ी के लिए होगा, जो कि लोग अभी भी उनके पीछे ऐसे दीवाने हैं।
Seriously,
It's been
exactly.
almost 32 years, I think, 89 to 21, and it's still
Right,
going.
right, right.
It's still going more and more and more.
Exactly. And 200 test match is the best example. Yeah, 200 test match in the stadium. That
Yeah.
was like, see, I've seen good number of matches in the stadium, but the experience of 200 test match, I tell you, Wangede ka kitna tha? I think capacity was around 35,000 or
I
something.
was about to
And it's
ask you
way.
कि मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी, मेरे को टिकट नहीं मिली क्योंकि शायद बहुत लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टिकट उस समय उन्होंने वो करी थी ऑनलाइन।
Yeah,
यू गॉट अ
I
चांस?
had two tickets. I had two tickets. Okay, Boria ने दिया था मेरे को 2 tickets.
ओके।
I mean, he called up somebody. I mean, I had to pay and take it. It's not like it's tickets ऐसे distribute हो गया था. So I had to pay for the tickets and take it.
ओके।
So every day on my 2 tickets, there used to be, because on each ticket, I think you can enter 3 times.
ओके।
Okay, so because in the morning you can enter, then you can go out during the lunch, then you can enter again, then you can go out at tea, then you can enter again.
ओके।
So each ticket pay you can enter 3 times.
हम्म।
So what I used to do, because by that time Satsanis.com has grown in terms of the followers and all, it was crazy. By the time the announcement started, I'll tell you, in 2013, during May, okay, the Facebook followers crossed 10,000.
ओके।
Okay, and in that year, I think in September, I think Champions League will happen. T20 Champions League used to be there. So that also Mumbai Indians will win. And by the time of that tournament is completed, we were 50,000.
Oh,
And by the time 200 test match started, it was more than 500,000. It was around 7 lakhs or something.
amazing.
This all happened in a span of like 3-4 months. And we did not do anything, anything different or any different strategy as such. I just used to keep posting the content, whichever is available, whichever the fans might feel like it is helpful. Because by the time I had sort of this luxury wherein, I had some contact wherein I can manage to get at least a match ticket, which did happen.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, so, and I know like what it means to watch 200 test match, right? Because
What was the
we all
atmosphere
have the
was
same
like?
emotion.
What was the atmosphere?
But it was crazy that, a 35,000 capacity stadium, there used to be more than 52,000 people. Aram se hoga. Okay. And it's only one thing. Sachin is playing and every other player is from the opposition team.
Yes.
So, they were like everything and everything. Agar ball Sachin ke paas gaya and if Sachin has stopped it. And I remember an incident, I'm not sure if it has been shown in television or not. So Yuvraj Singh, he was not part of that match. So he comes to the stadium.
Yeah,
he
he
runs
was there.
around in the boundary line. He was running and he was wearing a black color t-shirt where he's master or he's god. So there was some caption that was related to Sachin. Black color t-shirt, on that it was in gold color.
Okay.
So Yuvipa was wearing it. So he was running in the boundary and he was pointing it and showing pointing towards Sachin. It was like, so that was the amount of the passion that people had for that match. It was not like this team, that team, and all. Every focus was about Sachin. There used to be special newspaper editions. Special newspaper editions which used to be distributed near the stadium, which was called as Stadium News or something. And there
Okay.
used to be specially newspapers given about things that happened in the stadium on that day.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and Mumbai was like in a different league. Wherever you go, it was
Mhm.
completely about Sachin. There used to be like huge hoardings about Sachin, and there were free taxi services.
Mhm.
You can actually in Mumbai you can actually book a cab, and that cab will drop you for free at the stadium.
Okay. Seriously, unbelievable that stuff.
So I mean, so there were like different sorts of things. People were emotional. One thing is like they were like happy watching him bat, and then getting to know that this was his last test match. People were
Yeah.
emotional, and everybody want to be there in the stadium.
But I think
It
that
was,
speech, last speech, na, everyone's crying.
man,
Matlab, people are
seriously.
crying in the
Yeah,
stadium.
yeah.
We are
I
crying at our
so
home.
my funda was like when on October 10th in 2013 when the announcement
Hmm.
came in. So I was like heartbroken. So I tried calling his number. I know, like, anyway, call he will not take random calls at all, but a typical crazy fan sort of a thing. So I tried calling his number. His number was switched off. I tried calling his manager back then. His number was switched off. Then I was like, okay, so this is not a media rumor and all. Okay, this is
Hmm.
actually happening. So the next day morning around 7:30 or something, his manager called me. He was like, "So how are you?" When I saw the news, you're the first person came to mind. So this was his line. Then I was like, I seriously have no clue how to react or what to do. I feel like, I'm
Yeah.
completely lost in life. Like, yeah, so it was like, look at the positive, man. You still have two more matches
Hmm.
where you can go enjoy and everything. And I was like, we made like, so
And we
I
were
was
like
like,
only just two matches.
exactly. And dude, what is the reason to retire? Yeah, look at his innings in the last test match. See, people say like average has dipped and all.
Yeah.
I see his average dipped and during 2007 as well. So there was a phase in mid 2000s as well, and then look at the way he came back to
I think he was
2010,
consistently making 40s, 50s, 70s. Only the 100 was missing in that period of time.
right? And they
And he
were like,
was,
see, in England
I think
series where
that's what the
2007
standard has
England
been set
series,
up by him.
correct. But if you look at 2007 England series,
Yeah.
wherein he will be taking blows on his body,
Yes, yes.
right? And so they were, and there will always be a section of media, right, which keeps questioning and all. But actually, if you look after the series, there will be a Sachin's interview where he was like, I'm actually deliberately taking those blows on my body because there was a close in field that
Hmm.
said, and if he puts a bat and that might go into a fielder's hand, and he made good enough 70s in that series, which are pretty important, as
Yeah.
important as a good 100,
I think
because those were
like the
not just
Pujara innings,
flat
this
belting
Indian
wickets.
versus Australia series, like what the Pujara did,
Hmm.
taking blows on his body.
Right, correct.
Just
Because
not look
that
at
was
the
needed in that series.
Yeah, just not look at the runs, but look at the time where when he scored 40 and 50 runs out.
Right. After 200 test match, so next day morning, I've been to Lansdowne. So his management team was there. I was like, I actually dropped a message because I actually want to meet him
Mm-hmm.
because I was so emotional. So I dropped him a text and he was like, I'm actually and towards the other side of the city. Let's catch up sometime in the evening. Then I was like, sir, anyway, I'm near the stadium itself. So whenever you're free, let me know. Then he was like, you're near the stadium? Okay, come down
Okay.
to Trident.
Oh,
So back then I had like no clue where Trident is. Because I'm like, that was probably my second visit maybe to Mumbai. Yeah,
okay.
third visit to Mumbai, and I did not explore much and all.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that was actually for the first time I've been to that particular Trident.
Okay.
The Trident I have like I'm the one next to
Stadium,
on
yeah.
Marine Drive. So I went to Trident. And he was like, "So how was the match? How did you enjoy?" And all the conversation went. Then he was like, have breakfast. I'm like, are you moody in a year so to eat and all? I'm like, okay. Sir. He was like,
Or can you
you
just
know
eat?
what? Today at 3 o'clock there's a press conference.
Okay.
Okay, so if you behave, you'll be there. Okay, I'm like, okay, I'm coming. And worst part was like, yeah, I did not had my clothes or anything. So
Okay.
my friends have actually left, and my
Arranged for
luggage
you.
was with them. I did not had my luggage or anything. I was like on the clothes that was there on my body. Utna hi tha mere paas. I did not had luggage or anything because my luggage was on the way back to Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay. So I went, and so that was in rooftop. I did not knew that okay we have rooftop option on the left.
Uh-huh.
I went to reception. Then I was like, where is rooftop? She was like, you can take the left and go to rooftop. I was like, but कौन सा floor है? Rooftop is the floor. She was saying, but yeah. Then I entered the left. Then there was option rooftop. Okay,
Okay.
so I went. Then Sachin came. Anjali madam was also there. I was like,
Mhm.
oh man, Sachin. Then after 30 minutes or something, Sudhir also came. So I'm okay. Because yaar, वहाँ पे everybody was from media, okay? So
Yes.
they all know each other. I was like the lone guy.
But they all
Then
know
after
each
a
other
while,
and they all
Sudhir
know what
came.
to do.
Exactly. And I was like the odd man out who was like emotionally gone,
Yeah.
trying to get into terms and all. And these people were like, okay, fine, we'll get a good content. Abhi ye mil sakta hai, wo mil sakta hai,
Mm.
and all. See, Arnab was there.
Okay.
So he was trying to get exclusive interview and all.
Mm-hmm.
And what it started at 3, I think it went on till 8:30, 9 o'clock.
Okay.
So around 3:15, one of his manager back then came, said, so you did not meet the master. I was like, how will I meet them? And I was
Mm.
like, okay, come. And one condition, you're not crying. I was like,
Okay.
why will I cry and all?
I-
No way. So, okay, so they opened the room door. Right opposite Sachin was standing, and he was like, hey, come, come. I was like, I was just removed my specs. I did not even know like when I started crying. I was like
It
crying,
was not
crying, crying,
intentionally,
crying.
but whatever. I can't
I
stop
mean,
it.
I did not see by the time when I realized, like, dude, you're actually crying. I was
Hmm.
like, then I was like, but sir, it's gem of an innings, but Sammy took a catch, and I diverted the conversation. But I was like, okay, but yeah, the way actually, he cared, right?
Hmm.
So you can say like, that's okay, man. Okay, this guy's saying, that's fine. But he was like, you know, so see, that's okay, man. Cricket will always be there. In fact, I was actually arguing. So see, Master's
Okay.
reply was, see, that's okay. Cricket will always be there. I've just transferred my responsibility. And see,
Hmm.
somebody of that stature where you're like hardly get a chance to meet. And I was like, but there can never be another Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, and for me, cricket will never be safe. And I was actually arguing and just, trying to talk
Yeah.
logically, and I'm actually,
Just
putting in these
speaking
sort of
emotionally.
answers. Right. And, see, that is what the emotional outburst is,
Yeah.
right? And by the time when I realized, and I was like, okay, this is what has happened. Okay, fine. Yeah. And then I said, sir, I need a snap. And I was like, are you sure? Come tell me, where shall we have it? Then I was like, so Trident rooftop, right? So we have this beautiful view of Marine Drive and everything. I said, like,
Okay.
sir, let's take, sir, can I have a photo here?
Mhm.
And he was walking there. And trust me, Masters advice in snaps. If he advise you on the snap, those snaps will be like so beautifully captured. I said, okay, let's stand here. This view will also be there in the picture. And I was like, okay, come. Then he said, you know what? Actually, sun is behind us because that's on the west coast, right? So the sun
Mhm.
was setting. It
Okay.
was in the evening around 3:34 or something. So sun was behind us. It's not completely down, but it was behind us because it was towards
Mhm.
the evening. So then he was like, so we will not be good visible well in the photo. If you Why don't we, if we can have it here? So he pointed towards the other side of the room where light was, and I was like, forget view and all there.
Whatever you say.
Having a photo with you is like, that is what matters. If I don't have a view, I'm fine with that. So
Right.
then, had a snap, and I was
Amazing.
like, I need autograph. And he was like, sure, sure. Then I gave him 2 bats. I gave him, and I gave one more. I took on 2 bats and 2 miniature bands, and I took on something else as well. I don't remember on which one, but yeah, 2 miniature bats
Unforgettable.
I
I think
remember.
the lifelong moment you will always want to
Crazy.
remember it.
Seriously,
The moment
seriously.
to cherish one. Amazing.
Right. So if every time I feel like, actually every meet has a different story and a different logic
Yeah.
or something unique in every meet,
Hmm. So where did
which
you
gives
get
those
the
fond
idea of
memories.
Sachin is dot com? How it started?
So 2007, that's when I started using Orkut.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So that was the time when I realized, okay, there are like many people like me.
Mhm.
That's when the thing has started. And if you see this football players and all, they have this fan clubs, they
Yeah.
have a website dedicated for them and all. That
Yes.
was not the case for cricket. Forget about cricket, yeah. You know,
मतलब
Sachin
Indian
Tendulkar is
sports, yeah.
somebody who was no, you don't have for any cricket player. It was
Yeah.
not there. There was no fan site for any cricket player back then. They might had their official websites also. I have not seen any official websites back then.
It was not there, I
Okay,
think,
there was
until
no
Punty
website.
Cannon or something.
See, on Sachin, there were few websites that were started. There were few websites,
Okay.
but not something which was posting all the updates, which was active and all. They were
Mhm.
there for the sake of it.
Okay.
I thought like, you know, probably we can have one rather than waiting for somebody to come and start it. Why don't we start it? So I started it off with a blog in 2008 June. Okay, and in 2010 April, I thought like I was getting decent visitors. Yeah, I mean those days around 1,000 or close to 1,000 people used to visit a day.
Okay.
I'm like it's decent enough anyway. People are coming and watching, so why don't we fill the gap of having a website? Because
Mhm.
by 2010, all the existing sites which were there on Sachin were not that actively posting stuff and all.
Okay.
There were few sites which were more of a profile sort of a thing, wherein you
Yes, yes,
can
yes.
see his records and all, but not his news completely in one place.
Not the news post and something all. All the news
Right,
you
right,
are,
right. So a complete one-stop destination to get
yeah.
all the information regarding him. So that was not the case back then.
Mm-hmm.
So that is how Satanis.com started in
Okay.
2010, April 24th.
मतलब 24 से मेरे को एक चीज भी याद है कि लास्ट ईयर शायद 10 साल कंप्लीट किया सचिन.com ने, और
Yes, yes,
सचिन
yes.
पाजी ने शायद एक मैसेज कन्वे किया था एक स्पेशल बंदे
Video, that
को, एक
video.
स्पेशल वीडियो.
I I I actually keep watching it once every 3 to 4 days. Almost I keep watching it because see, that's like a recognition of your journey,
या मतलब
right?
लोग भी
Because
बाकी जो साथ में जुड़े हैं वो भी जानना चाहिए कि इस मैसेज में ऐसा था क्या, जिन्होंने नहीं देखा, हमने तो देखा है.
see, the best part is okay, and many people told me like, dude, Sachin's memory is amazing, and his memory is actually, यार कुछ भूलता ही नहीं यार. His memory is like outstanding.
हम्म.
Just show him a random video clip of his of any old match. He'll tell you which match, okay, when did it happen, which match that was, which match of the series, whether it is the second test of the series,
ओके.
what all happened,
हाउ यू
and
गेट
actually
आउट.
I've practically seen it as well.
हम्म.
Okay. So okay, I'll not divert the topic about the question that you asked about that video.
हम्म.
See, why I was stating this is about many fans have reached out to me. He actually uses this line because the thing that I have done after the ODI retirement was by the time kinda there, around 7,000, 7 to 8,000 was the following in
या.
Facebook
ओके.
when ODI announcement came up. I was like, you're actually saying like you're running a fan club, so why don't we take up some responsibility, and everybody were having their emotional feelings, so gather those feelings, make that like a book. एक प्रिंट आउट ले ले बुक बना के मास्टर को दे दे, you so
हाँ.
that would not be costing you too much, right? So that is when I posted in Sachin's, I sometime towards the end of December.
ओके.
So that was for the first time I've actually collected all the fans' emotions and all, compiled it as a book and given it to him. And post that there were like 3 to 4 instances where 3 to 4 different books were given. One was, so 2 of them was No Cricket Without Sachin Tendulkar, and one was Sachin 365. This was the third book, and the fourth book, recent wala book kya tha? Yeah, what? Actually, for the first time, I'm talking in a video. I'm actually forgetting things.
Fine. But that was special message that he is mentioning you with the name.
Like, yeah. I'm so. I mean, that's so touching, right?
not
I mean, see,
celebrating God
taking
birthday
out
or
time on your birthday,
yeah.
especially with this pandemic situation, that actually shows, like, how much he cares for the people, not for the people in the country as well. That is why he keeps doing so much of work. But the only challenge is, like, he doesn't like to come out and talk that, I've done this, because he's not doing it for somebody to come and
Hmm.
appreciate him, but he does
Yeah.
his work because he feels like he has, a need to do it for his people, and he does it. That is why he doesn't come out and put out tweets that, I've done this, or, I want you people to come and donate and all.
हम्म वही लास्ट टाइम
Yeah.
वही कि हर बार बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं हम उनके घर के बाहर जाकर, घर के अंदर जाकर।
Right.
और इस बार ये था कि यार इस बार तो हम जा नहीं पाए, इस बार तो कर नहीं पाए, तो करे क्या। एंड दैट द मैसेज हैज कम्ड एंड आई थिंक दैट वाज अ स्पेशल मोमेंट
Exactly.
एंड बेस्ट मोमेंट फॉर यू।
Seriously. That was one of the best videos that I see, and I actually keep watching it again and again and again. So that one, and
आई थिंक
I
एवरीवन विल।
actually keep
अगर वो मेरे लिए भी हो तो शायद मैं भी वही, एक बार सोने से पहले, एक बार उठने के बाद just keep on
and I keep listening to this as well. My dad's phone conversation with Master. That also I keep listening, but not as often as I listen to this video. This video I actually keep watching it quite often. Yeah, at least once in a week, if not more.
so one more question कि how is he in like talking, मतलब सचिन बात करने में कैसे है। मतलब कोई भी बड़ी पर्सनैलिटी होता है तो एक बार हम नर्वसनेस होती है हमको कि पता नहीं उसका
He
रिस्पॉन्स कैसा आएगा, क्या
so
होगा। एंड हाउ वाज ही।
so he actually knows, like, because he has seen different sorts of people who come and meet him. He knows, like, I know he actually values the love that people show at him, the support. He respects that. And the person he is, majority of the people are who admire him are for his game, right? And if these people actually get a chance to meet him, they would be following him more passionately by seeing such a wonderful down to earth person he is, who actually recognizes or appreciates the support of everyone. See, it can be any possible way, right? Because not everybody could afford to travel and watch every match,
Yeah.
or not everybody can have the time of wherein every day they come out, post in social media or express themselves, because not everybody is expressive.
Mm-hmm. I think
But
that's
he
all
actually
because of
values and
such a
respects.
kindness and kind-hearted. We used to follow
Seriously,
him, we
man.
used to idolize him, and we want to
Right. See,
adapt
talking
something
about
from him
kind
every
heart,
time.
I remember an incident. Ashish, were you there during the Swachh Bharat,
No, I was not there.
where it was done in the school?
Nah.
No.
You have not invited me.
So, yeah, that was a
You
last minute
invited
thing. You should
everyone,
actually
but
actually blame Michelle, because he
I will
was the
blame
one
everyone.
who traveled from
Means
Delhi.
everyone got a
So
chance
he did
at
not
that
tell you.
time to meet him, and
You
I
know,
just was the one who was
that
left
was
over.
Swachh Bharat was like one crazy event. In fact, both the times when we have done Swachh Bharat was like crazy. When we have done, and when Master has done, and when we have joined,
Hmm.
both were like amazing experiences. The best part, or when you said kindness, so this Sachin stirred Swachh Bharat, and that was second time we were part of it.
Okay.
So he was actually doing it in a school wherein he wanted to bring awareness in school
Mhm.
kids and all, and so we were cleaning roads and all. And post that, obviously kids want some entertainment. So that school is actually on the left side. You have a school, then road, then on the right side of the road you have a ground sort of a thing, which was it was more of this how a NBA court sort of a thing, which has all
Mhm.
the cement flooring and all. So then obviously Sachin is there, so the news would spread, and there were like lots and lots of people standing
Yeah.
outside school gate. I was like, why do you want to push in the crowd and go? So Master was going, I was walking, then crowd everywhere, and cops would try to control and all. So why do you want to get pushed and also just laid back and wanted to go once things settled down.
Mhm.
Once Master entered inside that particular school ground, they've closed the gate. So and you would not have a chance to go.
Yeah.
So then somehow I managed to reach near the gate, and obviously, and I was like, I'm actually there, and the cop looked at like this, okay, fine. So you can wait here and watch.
Okay.
So then actually Sachin walks towards the gate and says, like, send him inside.
Mhm.
And the other incident was when actually he was giving this BMW cars, right, for this Olympic
Yeah,
medalist
Olympic
in
medalist.
Hyderabad. So in that event, Sachin was talking to PV Sindhu, I guess.
Okay.
Oh, I was like, it's been a while since I told you, right? It'll be like a proper addiction.
Yeah.
Like, so he waved at me. I mean, obviously, first I have to wave, then he waved back. And I said, like, then I signaled, like, can I come? Then he was like, yeah, come, come.
Mm-hmm.
So then I told the bouncer, see, he was asking me to come. And
Okay.
he looked at me like this and like, oh, okay, fine. He told me to stop you. That was his reaction. I was like, then I told him, like, sir, this guy is not letting me in. I was like, I told you to send him. I was like, that is like, then got it now. Okay, fine, I'll go now. So it's like,
But
he's
so many
so
fascinating story with
humble.
him. So
So many incidences, yeah, which
yeah,
actually shows how humble he is and how much he cares for the people of the country with the amount of work he does. Because I actually know how many people he's supporting,
yeah.
which actually doesn't come out in media because he doesn't want to showcase it because he's not doing it for public attention, right?
एक्चुअली आई थिंक जैसे कि वो बैटिंग करते हुए करते थे कि हमेशा आंसर बैट से देते थे, तो सेम
Exactly.
सेम फिनोमेना है कि वो काम
I
से
mean,
अपना
see,
आंसर देते
this
हैं.
actually he let his work
या
talk to the
या
people who are in need
एक्चुअली
rather than these people who come and bark in social media and doesn't do
या
anything, right? So he wanted his work to talk to the people who are actually in need.
या एक्चुअली you have a so big collection of autographs and all. Have you anything with you
Yeah.
this time around? Something?
Right now next to me, I do not. Yeah, actually, thing is like I have another room where I sort of put it like a display.
Yeah.
I have like few pics of mine, and there are like couple of photos on which Master has actually signed. And Premier Invite. Premier Invite is pretty much like a
Hmm.
box in which is like it's actually a box. If you see, like, that is sort of a it's actually a ball made like a box.
Okay.
That's what the feel
Yeah.
you get.
I saw.
So that and just playing Get My Way Invite and all the autographs that I have. So all the section I actually put it like a display and all. So
Okay.
if to show it to if I take them out now and if I do not place it properly, and if then my mom would yell at me because if something happens to it, then I would be like super upset, and she knows that, and she's like, you have taken out and I should clean it up and all.
Yeah.
I'll send you a pic. I have pics of them. I have pics of the bad
Okay.
jerseys
Okay.
and everything. And one hard thing is to pick which one is special.
Hmm.
I have one few miniature bats, and every miniature bat has a different story and all.
मतलब इतनी सारी
And
स्टोरीज
I
है, तो
can
मेरे को
I
लग
can
रहा है कि
actually
मेरे को
keep
एक पार्ट 2 भी रखना पड़ेगा इसका ना. So much
if
conversation and
if
all.
I keep talking about every
Yeah.
the complete journey and about every meet, and also you should keep doing like 3, 4, 5
Episode
and
1,
all.
2, 3, 4 and to be continued part.
Exactly. Right.
So that's wrapping it up. Let's move on to our last section called slower
Yeah.
balls. Okay. So here
Okay.
I will ask you some question and you have to answer quickly.
Like
Not like the slower
that's
delivery side thing. You have to
dude,
answer it quickly.
slow. You said it's slower balls, and you know what actually.
Yeah.
So as I said sometime back, I actually forgot everything about the one of the books which I gave. I even
Okay.
forgot the name of that, and now you want me to test.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, let me try.
Okay. So
I'm
the
pretty
first,
sure I would get trolled if anybody watches this.
so the first question is,
Hmm.
we all know Sachin has first car was Maruti 800.
Right.
Okay, what
A
was the
red
color of
Maruti
it?
800.
Yeah, what was the color of it?
A red Maruti 800.
Yeah, fine. Okay, second question. It will be so easy questions, na? No tougher questions.
If it is about Sachin, then yeah, it will
It's
be
all
easy
about
one.
Sachin, yeah. Okay, the
Then
second
yeah.
question is
Mhm.
in one match Sachin played with the constipation. एक मैच था जिसमें सचिन को
हाँ,
कॉन्स्टिपेशन हुए थे
2003
और उसने उस
2003
मैच में
वर्ल्ड
शायद,
कप इंडिया पाकिस्तान.
या एग्जैक्टली मतलब वो मैच तो कोई भूल ही नहीं सकता जो उसने धुलाई की थी इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान
Yeah.
मैच में.
And he did not even showed any symptoms that he's not
Yeah.
100% physically fit.
Yeah, he
Right.
played with so many injuries in all over his career. He never showed to
Seriously.
it people that he was suffering, he was injured and all.
And the beauty is the way he used to come back from every injury.
Unbelievable.
You remember tennis elbow? After tennis elbow, there will be
Yeah,
100 that he'll score in Kuala Lumpur,
against
I think,
West Indies, I think.
against West Indies.
Yeah,
Yeah,
141 something.
right.
So the last question is, Sachin received Arjuna Awards in which year?
94.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. 1994. So I think
Great. Yeah,
that,
I made it. Okay, so you are sending me goodies, okay?
yeah, fine. You send me some, I will send you some. Okay, so thank you so much, Pawan, for being here and giving me this opportunity. So any final
Thank
words to
you
all
so
the people
much.
who have tuned in? Any final words? Any
We are
message?
not somebody who can give the message. Only master can give the message, and we can just
Yeah.
follow it.
So just one lesson you have learned from the master.
Keep chasing,
Uh,
chase your dreams. Dreams do come
yeah,
true,
yeah,
which did
fine.
happen.
The
So
best message
yeah,
I think that you can look forward to.
indeed.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Pawan bhai, for being
Thanks,
here.
Ashish.
We'll surely
Thank you
continue the
so
same.
much.
Yeah. Okay,
Certainly,
bye.
certainly. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. Stay
Bye.
safe. Take care.
Yeah. Same to you.
Bye.
Bye.
So that was Pawan. In the next episode, we will discuss and talk with another hardcore fan and listen to his side of story. Till then, see you.